I'm Tammy Smith. I'm a mom, a wife, and entrepreneur, so I live a very busy life. I'm so excited about the topic we're discussing today because I have one of my great friends beside me that's empowered millions of lives, Mark McDonald.
Hello, Tammy.
Hello, so great to have you.
I'm so happy to be here.
Yes, thank you. Well, let's talk about a subject that actually needs no introduction at all: dieting. Meet Zen Project 8 from Jeunesse. In 8 weeks, Zen Project 8 takes you through 3 easy to follow phases that will transform your habits so you can clean, sculpt, and reprogram your body. Zen Project 8 is the brainchild of Mark McDonald. Mark is a popular celebrity nutritionist, world-renowned fitness guru, New York Times best-selling author, and frequent contributor to CNN, HLN, the Tennis Channel, and numerous award-winning TV programs and media outlets.
But you know, Tammy, that's all great. But what I'm most proud of is that I'm a dad to an amazing daughter named Hope and our son Hunter, and then I've been with my wife since 1993. So that's why I do what I do. So I appreciate it.
Absolutely, makes the world go round. Love
Yes.
that. The Zen Project 8 program features all the tools you need to succeed. Over the next few minutes, Mark will tell you how the program's premium Zen Body products, weekly webcasts, and community support will help you live the healthy life you've always wanted. Plus, we'll reveal the power of eating PFC every 3 as we prepare some healthy recipes, including delicious protein shakes. Mark, I can't tell you how excited I am about the Zen Project 8 and cooking some recipes with you today.
Yeah, you know, I'm thrilled to be here with you, Tammy, and I'm so excited about the difference we're going to make in everyone's life to empower them with their health and how they can truly live their best life. It's a simple 3-phase plan based on real science that focuses on eating PFC every 3, which is eating proteins, fats, and carbs every 3 hours. And then you're going to turbocharge your results and a strong community that will be there with you every step of the way. You see, Tammy, with Zen Project 8, you'll discover why you'll succeed this time, where you may have failed in the past. You're going to end the yo-yo dieting nonsense and learn how to lose those last 10 pounds. And plus, for all you athletes and anyone who wants to gain muscle, you'll find the secrets to taking your body to the next level. And finally, you will have the tools and knowledge to win with your health for you and your family. See, the program is fueled by the cutting-edge Zen Body products. With Zen Project 8, you'll also benefit from ongoing education and support with weekly webcasts, delicious PFC-approved recipes, information-packed blogs, and videos that motivate and inspire you to win. Plus, you're gonna have ongoing community support that will empower you with great question and answer sessions, inspire you with real-life global success stories from people just like you. You're gonna have strong accountability so you can make new friends and connect with other members. And you're gonna have immediate access to on-demand information. You know, Tammy, studies show that you get 3 times better results when you start a health program with a friend. You know, I know about that. You know, my wife, Abby, I met in 1993. I saw her in school and I said, that's the girl I'm gonna marry. And when I saw her, you know, for the last 20 plus years, she's been my corner person. When we launched Zen Project 8, we understood that not everyone had a corner person. I've had tough moments in my life. I've fallen off plan, I've struggled. Every single time my wife, Abby, has my back. See, we have this community because wherever you sit with your life, wherever you sit with your health, there's a home for you. There's a place that when you struggle, because you will, we all struggle, you'll get the education, you'll have the cutting edge products. But when life shows up, the community is there for you to win. That's why Zen Project 8 will inspire you and help you win every step of the way. We are your corner man globally.
Mark McDonald, one of the top fitness and nutrition experts in North America, has designed the Zen Project 8 system to help people lose weight, gain lean muscle. He teaches us the science of eating in 3s, protein, fats, and carbs, and get their body confidence back.
Zen Project 8 has given my husband and I back energy that we haven't had in years. And with our autistic son, I always felt like he was cheated in that his mom and dad were so tired and so run down, and that comes across in how you interact with your kids. You turn and see a whole different life on the other side, and our son's been able to benefit from parents that are able to stay active, take him to the park, run around with him, and have energy like we did when we were teenagers.
You know, I understand having someone in your corner. That is my husband for me. He's always there to pick me up when maybe I'm, about to fall off, or maybe I've completely fallen off. So I 100% understand. I love the community that you have.
And I love Mark's success story too, by the way.
Yes, absolutely.
Tammy's husband, Mark, rocking the plan.
Awesome stuff. That's why I love Zen Project 8. Mark, you mentioned the program has 3 steps, and they're easy to follow.
We put all the science into an 8-week experience. Now look, your journey doesn't end after 8 weeks, it starts, and then you're gonna turn it into a way of life. And Zen Project 8, there's gonna be 3 phases that will give you the results that you want and set you up to win. We're gonna first detox your body, then we're gonna ignite your metabolism, and then you're gonna thrive and make it a way of life. So Tammy, let's start with phase 1. Phase 1, you're gonna detox your body and lose the bloat, which we also call that water retention. 7 days of power of detoxing, where you cut the processed foods that bloat you, add the clean and high quality proteins, fats, and carbs, and flush out your body's toxins. Then we move into phase 2, where we're gonna ignite your body and ignite your metabolism. You're gonna burn the excess body fat, tone your body, and then we wrap it all up in phase 3. That's the thrive phase, where you're gonna live your life. See, this is all about making this program a lifestyle. So in the thrive phase, you're gonna start reprogramming your metabolism, diversifying your food and fitness, and begin energizing your family and friends to celebrate your new healthy life.
Great information, Mark. Jeunesse has so many amazing products. Please tell us more about the Zen Body products featured in the Zen Project 8 program.
Yeah, so we always think about the plan, the products, and the community. The Zen Project program is backed by a phenomenal line of premium products. Not only are the Zen Body products crucial to the first 8 weeks of the program, they will continue to help you meet your goals as you transition to the Thrive phase and embrace your new healthy lifestyle. Let's start with Zen Fuse Protein Shake, which is the foundation product of Zen Project 8. So Zen Fuse is the foundation product of the entire Zen Project 8 program. With the program, you'll learn how to eat your favorite meals in the right balance and portions, and Zen Fuse then steps in to be your solution at those tough to eat moments. It's a super unique protein fusion of exclusive TrueCell, which is micellar casein broken down to a more molecular level, and whey proteins. This protein fusion is fast-acting and slow-acting protein and assists in keeping you satisfied longer between meals, which helps you meet your weight loss and overall health goals. Now, Zen Fuse is more than just the amazing protein blend. It features 21 grams of that protein, 5 grams of fiber, and 5 strains of probiotics. And it's an excellent balance of protein, fats, and carbohydrates. So Tammy, it's PFC approved. And it's gluten and soy protein free. So you're gonna be drinking 2 shakes a day and then eating your balanced meals throughout your 8-week program, and it's gonna quickly evolve into a lifestyle. You see, this is the power of Zen Fuse. We understand, and as I coach so many people through the years, you would sit across from me and people would say, okay, I wanna do PFC every day, I wanna do this. But I don't have time to eat 5 times a day. So imagine this, you're gonna eat your favorite protein, fats, and carbs. We're gonna educate you on that with the plan, with the phases. But then Zen Fuse, it literally takes less than 2 minutes, mid-morning, mid-afternoon, to drink a shake. Immediately, what didn't seem possible becomes possible. See, so once you get the food that you want, then you actually drink your Zen Fuse. Well, now we created 3 additional products to turbocharge your results. And that brings us to our detox product, Zen Prime. Approximately 99% of what you eat is processed by your liver. So imagine this, a healthy and strong liver means a strong metabolism. Second, it has a full spectrum plant-based enzyme blend to help digest your proteins, fats, and carbs. And finally, with some dandelion root and juniper berry, you can naturally flush out your body's toxins. The combination of Zen Fuse with Zen Prime provides an incredible 7-day detox. The ingredients in Zen Prime, along with the probiotics, fiber, and exclusive protein blend of Zen Fuse, creates a synergistic fusion to maximize your results. So once we detox, say detox.
Detox.
Say detox at home there. Right now, then we're gonna drive into Zen shape. And that moves into the ignite phase. And it assists in using your stored fat as a source of energy. Remember, every pound of stored fat has 3,500 calories. Are you a little excited now?
It's amazing.
Do you like the products?
100%, and I love that it's built for the busy person. In 2 minutes, I can make a shake and be satisfied.
See, that's the hardest thing because we skip meals, and we know when you skip meals, you crave, you burn muscle, and then you overeat and you store fat. And then we wrap this all together with Zen Fit. So as you enter the Thrive phase, we bring in the protector, the strengthener, and the builder of your muscles. Zen Fit, a rich source of 5,000 milligrams of essential amino acids. The more muscle you have, the more calories you burn. 1 pound of muscle is 3 times smaller than 1 pound of fat. And many times, women will say to me, I don't want to be bulky. But the power is that because 1 pound of muscle is 3 times smaller, the more muscle you have, the leaner you are. So for men and women, I want you to remember, just as we said carbs are your friend, muscle is your friend.
It's about making your fitness fun. It's about learning how to eat healthy and to balance your lifestyle.
People are winning, people are changing lives. The positive energy, this is a family, it's a community. This is it. I love Jeunesse, I love Zen Body, let's go.
The energy there is amazing. Everyone is welcome. It doesn't matter if you're 18, 68, what shape you are. The workout is for everyone.
The facts are in. Now you can ignite your metabolism and produce that lean, sculpted body you've always wanted. Perfect for achieving your weight loss and wellness goals, Zen Project 8 is the time-tested solution you have been looking for. Now is the time to take control of your body and take control of your life with our Zen Project 8 program. Nothing can stop the power of a body transformation system whose time has come. And for Zen Project 8, that time is now. Mark, it's been such a pleasure being here with you all day.
You know, Tammy, I'm a hugger, so let's hug it out.
Thank you so much.
I just want to thank you because you live your health, you lead by example, you do it as a family. So thank you for inspiring me.
Thank you for inspiring me.
Now, everyone, hasn't this been an amazing adventure? And it's all about you. Now, I want you to remember the power of you and the power of a transformation. When we first launched Zen Project 8, it was one of the most special moments in my life. 20 years in the making to inspire and help people. We went on a 5-city tour, landed, and I got a text from my mom. It said, call me, your dad's in the hospital. Talked to my mom, flew to California with my family. And after 10 years of struggling, my dad was in very bad shape. Walked into the hospital room, and he was a shadow of who he was. Now, growing up, my dad was my best friend. He was my everything. He was my hero. He taught me how to play soccer. He shared life with me, and he was always there to inspire me and lead me. And I thought as I sat on his bed, what if? What if I could have shared this information with him? What if I could have made a difference? I watched stress eat at my dad. I watched his poor nutrition. I watched life be taken from him. And as I sat with Hunter on his bed, I kept thinking about the difference I can make in the world. My dad died that night. And I lost my best friend. I'm sharing this with you right now because, man, as I created Zen Project 8, as I partnered with Jeunesse, it's so much more than about a program. It's so much more than about products. It's so much more than about a community. It's about you becoming the best that you can be in your body, to understand that you don't have to live average health, that you don't have to diet, that you don't have to search for the answers anymore, that you can be your very best for you, your family, your friends. So I'm asking you right now, make a decision. It's time to draw your line in the sand. This is your defining moment, and you can start your body transformation today. As you rock your journey, I'm here with you, Tammy's here with you, the entire global Zen Project community is here with you every step of the way. We are cheering you on. We are your biggest fans. And I want you to remember that there are many things you can't control in life. The one thing you can is how you choose to take care of yourself. So it's time to get ready, because your next health chapter starts now. I love how we're one big family. You each inspire me by choosing to make your health a priority. Our global Zen Project movement gets stronger by the day.
Zen Project 8 works for me, it works for thousands of others, and it can work for you too.